Lactantius, Epitome, episode 16. Praeterea in multis non potest esse totum, cum singuli sua officia, suas obtineat potestates. In the previous portion, Lactantius has described how there must be only one ruler and governor of the world. He says, moreover, in multis, in many gods or in many controllers, we might take deis with this, or conditoribus as the implicit noun, in many gods or in many creators, the whole totum non potest esse cannot exist. The subject then of potest is going to be this substantive totum, which is neuter singular and nominative. It's from the adjective totus aum, and here it's being used as a substantive, that is, an adjective used as a noun. Totum, then, is a synonym for other expressions that he has used, like summa rerum, the whole of the universe, the sum of creation, as well as res publica mundi, the commonwealth of the world. These are ideas that are all expressing more or less the same thing, the universe or all of reality. So here he's ruling out a kind of polytheism or henotheism. Moreover, in many gods or many rulers, the whole is not able to consist, non potest esse. The universe cannot reside in a rule of many. Why? Cum, because singuli, the individuals, the individual gods, and this is masculine plural and nominative, the individual gods or rulers, they would have two different things. Sua officia et suas potestates obtineat, because the individuals possess or pay attention to their own responsibilities, sua officia, or interests, and their own particular areas of authority. So this is part of his argument against polytheism. The object of obtineat is twofold: officia in the neuter plural and accusative, and potestates in the feminine plural and accusative. Meanwhile, obtineat is third plural, present, subjunctive, and active, from the second conjugation verb obtineo, obtinere, like so.